Hey guys, Josh Staton here with Mount Comfort RV. Today we're going to take you through the 2021 Shasta Oasis 26BH. This is a new brand to the rental fleet, but if you've checked out our webpage and all that stuff, you'll notice the floor plan inside is pretty similar to the other bunkhouses we've rented. So up front you got a huge storage area there, goes all the way across the front, so you can take your fishing poles or your games, chairs, whatever you got. Got an electric awning here. All our awnings are electric on the rentals. None of the hand cranking or the manual ones. Coming down the side here, you've got a power outlet here. So if you've got a picnic table, chairs, or whatever, you need to plug something in, you've got the power. And then your fresh water is over here. We'll go through all that good stuff when you pick up. But I know people see that in the videos. They want to know what it is. So here's a huge storage area. What we do with the rentals is we take out the outside kitchen and we make it a big storage. Most of our renters want the storage. They don't really care about the outside kitchen. So that's what we do with this. But this is pretty good size. You're gonna be able to fit a lot of things in there when you go on your trip. Coming around the back side, you got the spare tire. So if you got the flat tire, you can change it. We don't recommend you changing it, but it's there to call somebody and get it changed. The bumper, that's where we're gonna store your dump hose. And then here's your 30 amp power. We're going to plug in. Again, that's an important thing when you're booking your campground. 30 amp power, it's not 50. The campgrounds are going to ask you what you got. Dump area under there, we'll go through that when you pick up. City water connection. This is an outside shower water here. This is kind of the utility side. Nothing real exciting over here, but this is going to help you make your trailer functional. And then this is just the other side. You can see there's the power cord we include. This is just the other side of that big storage. On the front side of it here, battery, LP tanks. We're going to fill those up for you. That's all included in the rental. You can bring those back empty. We won't charge anything. So that's the outside of the 26BH Shasta Oasis. Hey guys, Josh Staton with Mount Comfort RV. We're inside the 26BH Shasta Oasis rental unit. Tony's going up front there showing you the queen walk-around bed. Get you a lot of storage, a couple hanging closets for you on each side there. You've got some USB ports on each side. That's kind of new and exciting. They used to only put one plug in and one USB on one side of the bed, but now we got two on each side. So that's kind of cool. Coming around the wall inside here, we've got a couch. This will make a bed. It's just your traditional jackknife bed. If you guys know anything about RVs, we'll show you how to work all that. We've got the dinette here, 4-person dinette. That will also make into a bed for you. The grandkids, nieces, nephews, brothers, sisters, whoever you're bringing. And then in the back, we got 2 bunk beds. Those are 2 double over double. That's nice. And then what Shasta's got, they've got a huge storage area there, so you can put your clown shoes under there, anything you need to kick off. Going into the bathroom, we got a nice shower. Got your toilet, little medicine cabinet and a sink in there. That's a pretty good size bathroom for this kind of model. Usually they're a little bit narrow and skinnier. Huge closet there for your Cheerios, your Fruit Loops, whatever you're taking with you. That's a refrigerator there. That's a 12-volt refrigerator, so that's not going to work off of propane, but yes, it will work going down the road, so you can have your food staying cold while you're going to your next place. Microwave, that's just like your microwave at home, and you got a nice 2-bowl kitchen sink there. So that's a quick rundown of the 26BH Shasta Oasis. Give me a call, get this thing booked, get your dates. Let me know when you want it. We'll get a deposit on it. We book pretty far out, so let's get you in it and get you camping.